Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2020 Ford F-150 Lariat with the 5.0 liter V8. This is kind of going to be a night drive of it, mainly because, well, it's nighttime. And daylight savings time means that 4:30 p.m. is this. So, you know what? We'll make up for it. It looks awesome. Star white metallic with a black leather trim bucket seat. Total options, the 5.0 was $1,000. The star white metallic was $595. Twin panel moonroof, the floor liner, the voice activated navigation, the 20-inch chrome wheels, wheel well liner. So a total price of $61,015, and I guess it was a special order. As you can see, those lights are bright. Absolutely beautiful truck. I'll go ahead and I'll shut those lights off just because they're so bright. Oi, I'm an idiot. Really, really nice interior. Not bad at all. Though you're probably not going to see a lot. Pop the hood. To reveal that 5.0. There's your air intake. Yeah. Let's take this thing out for a drive. I do love when you open the door, you get a puddle light. This is night mode on the Sync 3. There we go. That's pretty now. This is your key. This is the key to a Raptor I'm not going to film today. But yeah, let's go for a drive. Backup camera. Actually, that's pretty creepy. Just see woods. We're in sport mode. You can change drive modes by the button on the side of the shifter. You got sport, normal, tow haul, snow, wet, eco. But we'll go back to sport. Headlights are nice LED units for those of you who want to see the high beams and how much they illuminate. Right now the headlights are on that fence. Now they're past the fence and on the tree. It's pretty good reach for those headlights. That's what I love about the 5.0. The EcoBoost just can't do that. It can't just go up and go. You know, it's just, there's something perfect about the V8 sound coming out of a truck. It's just something so perfect. Visibility is phenomenal, especially with a window sticker on your passenger mirror or window. but it's a very commanding driving position while not being like kind of scary in a way. It's very, very easy to place the truck on the road. That's something a lot of pickup trucks the Super Duty is a good example, where you're so high up off the road that it feels like you're trying to place a city bus into a smart car parking spot. You know, it's kind of that feeling. But the F-150, there's so much visibility and the seating position's just right where you don't have that feeling, and it's just comfort. It's just comfortable. Ride comfort, seat comfort, it's actually really, really impressive. And that's coming from somebody who just stepped out of a Rolls-Royce Dawn. Which is still kind of processing that I just drove that car. But no, it's really, really impressive how comfortable these trucks are. And this isn't the top of the line, this is the Lariat. I think your King Ranch is above this. And then you got your Platinum, your Limited. Like, you still got a couple levels above this thing. But man, it's just all the truck you would ever need. The EcoBoost is a phenomenal motor, but there's just something so special about the 5.0 in this truck. The power it makes, the noises it makes, it just adds up to a really, really nice experience. And just all in all, like, it's overall a very, very complete package. It's something that I would put my own money towards, even with $61,000, which that's sticker price. Keep in mind, there's always rebates, there's discounts from the dealer. You know, that sticker price isn't the price you pay 9 times out of 10. There's always something that, you know, it's not exactly sticker price. 9 times out of 10, it's lower. Only cases it's above is when market value of the car is above the sticker price. That's pretty cool. You might have to be parked to do it. Yeah, you turn that light on, you can see anything. Off. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.